Hello, this is May from North Hill Mazda, and today I'm going to show you our beautiful 2015 Toyota RAV4 XLE. This RAV4 has clean Carfax, driven only by one owner, low kilometers with only 91,000 and no reported accidents. Inside the RAV4, you will find sunroof, equipped with echo button to optimize your fuel use, equipped with Bluetooth, dual climate control zone, and heated seats for you to be winter ready. And of course, backup camera for extra peace of mind. For your passengers, you will find comfortable space and legroom. You have lever to move the backrest to make it comfortable for long drive. In the back, you will find tons of space and cargo cover for your privacy. So what are you waiting for? Book a test drive with us here at North Hill Mazda.